Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 19. As a lamp placed in a windless place does not flicker, is a simile used to describe the yogi of controlled mind practicing yoga of the self or absorbed in the yoga of the self.
Chapter 6, Shloka 19. Yatha deepo nivatasto nengate sopama smrita yogino yatachittasya yunjato yogam atmanah.
Chapter 6, Shloka 19. After explaining steadfastness, its definition, importance, means of achieving it, and the result. Now the state of the integrated mind is described, and what is the yoga of the self. Lord Krishna in this shloka describes the mind of the yogi whose thoughts are collected with the help of an example. As a lamp placed in a windless place does not flicker. Mind is a flow of thoughts. Desires are the fuel for thoughts. When mind is flooded with thoughts, it becomes unsteady. We lose our discrimination when the desires are controlled, the thought flow is reduced, and the mind becomes steady and available for the contemplation on the higher, just like the flame of a lamp flickers when there is strong breeze, but the flame becomes steady and rises when sheltered from the wind. Thoughts flow in a continuous stream, each dying, yielding its place to a new one. This gives an apprehension of a solid factor called mind. Similarly, the tip of a flame is never steady, but the flickering is so fast it gives us an illusion of a definite shape and solidity. The flame of the mind flickering under the influence of whims and sensuous desires, when arrested in meditation, becomes steady, although its thoughts are employed in the contemplation of one thought of the self called the Brahma ka vritti. This constant thought of Brahman, vast and infinite, eternal and blissful, the substratum of the entire universe, is the yoga of the self. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.